In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Quest Pro controllers on Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect your Quest Pro controllers to your MetaQuest 2 headset. The Pro controllers are compatible with both the MetaQuest 2 and the MetaQuest 3. The first thing that you have to ensure is that they are sufficiently charged. Now, you don't need to strictly charge them to full 100%. However, I highly recommend doing this because you will ensure that the battery will not be a problem, you will use them for the longest time possible, and it is good practice to do before you use them. So if you want to do this, just make sure that these contacts on the charging pad or the charging dock are touching the ones on the controllers, and by resting them here, you will be able to charge them fully. Now, if you don't want to go through the trouble of charging them fully, or you believe that they are already sufficiently charged, then you can move on to the next steps. So the main way to connect them is going to be through the MetaQuest app. So on your smartphone, open the app. If you don't have it, you can download it from the iOS App Store or the Android's Google Play Store. And once you open the app, you have to go over to devices, and the very first thing that you have to ensure is that the Quest headset that you want to use is already connected. If it is not, tap the plus sign and go through the process. I'm not going to give you detailed instructions on how to set up a headset. Assuming that you already have it connected here under the list of devices, just tap on the MetaQuest 2 and then scroll down. Under the headset settings, you will be able to find controllers. This is where you will be able to pair new controllers, including the Pro version. So first, choose the left controller and then the right one. Doing them in order will ensure that both of them will be connected. If you already have the other models of controllers connected, they will ask you to remove them first, so just give it permission and you will get instructions on what to do. So for this particular model here, you have to press the menu button on the left controller plus the Y button. So I'm going to show you visually where they are. As you can see, just press these two buttons simultaneously and you will be doing the same thing with the right controller. And as long as you press the respective buttons shown on screen, it is going to be paired up like this. It will remain paired, you will see the battery levels, and you can use it alongside your MetaQuest 2 or MetaQuest 3 headsets. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Quest Pro controller on Quest 2. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.